Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Bafana TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 3, Zambia 1. I'm joined by Saluk.
Sure, bafethu lokusiloyo Muscle Bay.
Yeah.
Represent the Muscle Bay branch.
Yeah.
Yebo.
Besobukile bafana la, Master Chef. Usijabulisile.
Yeah.
Yebo.
Ngiyajabula ukuthi ezile kwi-Pirates. Otherwise isikipha sebafana bengeke azasigqoke. Bengeke azasigqoke. Ibe basahleli kudawana uyengeke azasinula. And uyamona ukuthi ujabulile. Ujabulile, man of the match, utholile konke. Bhala Steve.
Bania.
Sure.
Amakhosi afuna amakhosi.
Akekho amakhosi ediserve okayo lapha.
Akethwa.
Uzophuma bani? Asifuna ama-backpass. Ama-backpass asiyafuna. Singafuna ama-pass. Hayi ama-backpass. Ikhehle lelo ox. Ngumuntu wama-backpass. Asifuna ama-backpass. Usuka Bruce uyabuilda la, ubuilda ngabafana hayi amakhehle. Sibheka phambili sibheke emuva. Yeah.
Man of the match.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?